Bonjour. Hello. Kumusta? Are you a French who wants to settle in the Philippines or just to visit our paradise-like country? Don't forget to learn our national language. It's very important. So for your information, we have two official languages in the Philippines. One is Filipino, which is our national language. Among all the 170, more than 170 dialects in the Philippines, we really need one language to connect all of us, to understand us. Okay, so that is Filipino. The second one is English. English is really widely used as a medium of instruction in a higher education. So that is why we are really scattered all over the world because of that language. It's really already in our nature that we are learning English and Filipino at school. Now, let's learn Filipino language. First is how to greet Filipino people or how to greet people. We just say, Kumusta? Kumusta. Kumusta in French is bonjour, salut. It's something like that. It says hello in English. Hello in English. So another thing is kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? It means, how are you? Comment allez-vous in French. So that's phrases, greetings to say is really very important. Any other around the world, that's the first step we need to learn. Another thing is when someone will give you and then you're appreciating her or him, you will just say salamat. Salamat. It means thank you or merci. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. It's thank you so much. Or in French, merci beaucoup. So that will be all for today. So if you want to learn more Filipino language, just follow me. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Merci beaucoup.